Hi everyone, my name's Kevin Cardwell, and welcome to my course, Investigate Network Targets with Nexpose. I am the president of Cyber2 Labs, LLC. I've worked as a cybersecurity consultant for more than 25 years. All it takes is a review of the latest cybersecurity news, and it's immediately clear that no matter what product and technology we use, there are still data breaches. Therefore, the continued challenge is that of finding these weaknesses across the entire enterprise architecture. This course is designed as a follow-on to the other courses on vulnerability assessment within Pluralsight. In this course, you'll look at the techniques of deploying the Nexpose tool across the enterprise. Some of the major topics that we will cover include setting your Nexpose to scan in accordance with the Federal Information Processing Standard, or FIPS, the procedures to harden systems from hardware attacks, the process to tune and set up scan policies for compliance assessment, prioritizing and customizing your scans. By the end of this course, you'll know the process and procedures to configure and deploy scans across an enterprise architecture. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with setting up sites and policies with the Nexpose tool. I hope you'll join me on the journey to learn Nexpose with the Investigate Network Targets with Nexpose course here at Pluralsight.